Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe and turn that bell notification on, as I will be posting every Wednesday at 7 p.m. So yes, you read it right. Today what we're going to speak about is how to gain 1,000 followers in 1 week on Instagram. Yes, I know maybe you must be thinking, how are you meant to do that? But I'm going to show you how. So let's get started. The first thing you're going to do is make sure you go to your specific niche account. So when I say that, let's say your competitor is, I don't know, a random name, but you know your competitor's in your niche. Make sure you go onto their page, and with their page, make sure you go to their recent post, and all you need to do is follow these people who's recently liked their post, because it shows that they're active. So this is, for example, a follow for follow method. That is good, but at the same time there is downside to it, but don't worry, I'm going to speak to you about that, so that should be fine. So what you're going to do is you're going to go onto their page. Once you go onto their page, go into their recent post, and with their recent post, all you need to do is literally follow these people that have liked their post, or even their comments as well. And then they're more likely to follow you back, which means they're active, which is perfect. And at the same time, they're following you, which means you're going to be gaining followers. Because the whole point of this whole thing is for you to have active followers on your Instagram. So then they will be liking, commenting on your post because they're in your niche. So like what you're doing, of course. And then after, what you're going to do is essentially you're going to be shown on the algorithm. So the algorithm is going to help you basically, and you're going to be on the explore page. And with the explore page, if you do not know what that is, I'm going to tell you. And with the explore page, they're literally random people that are literally clicking, sliding through, seeing your beautiful self, and they'll be like, oh, I like that, and then they're going to follow you. Now, another hack that I was very hesitant to even put on YouTube, but I'm going to say it. Another one that you can do is you can go to your competitors, and from your competitors, you need to turn on their bell notification. And then from there, this is all you honestly need to do, and this will actually help you gain more followers. What you need to do is you essentially need to turn the bell notification on, and from that what happens is, as soon as they post all the time, you have to be active on your phone, you have to click on your phone, you have to click on that post, and you just say your comment. Yeah, I said it. You say your comment. You need to be one of the first people in order to comment on your competitors. The reason why is because if you look around you, or the people who are on that page, they're essentially the ones that are your target audience, and you want them to see your page. So in order to even get that knowledge of your page, this is honestly free promotion. Yes, free promotion, because they're going to see you on that first comment. You could comment something like, oh my gosh, I love this, oh my gosh, yes, I agree, whatever it is in your niche, but you know what I mean. Do a simple comment, and then you even get likes from your competitor as well, by the way. You'll get likes from them. They may feel like, oh, they love my stuff, but really and truly trying to get the audience. I know it's so bad to say, but it's true. And so what you do is, you do that, and then you're gonna be seeing followers. And I will say this, choose your top 5 competitors, only 5, or you can do more. To be honest with you, you need to make sure that page is very active, make sure they even have a lot of people even looking at their stuff, because the last thing that you want to do is do this on a page that no one honestly really cares about, and they post once a week. That's not really going to gain your followers, is it? That is common sense, but sometimes you gotta be told. But yeah, so the next thing that I'm going to tell you is, so from doing these different strategies, they will be so beneficial for you. And if you like the first strategy that I told you, you can of course follow 3,000 people, and of course not all of them are going to follow you back. But with those 3,000 people, they say 10% or even more of them are even going to follow you back. They say 1,000 people will follow you back. You've just gained 1,000 followers in 1 week. The whole point of Instagram is to be active and to keep on being active. And don't worry, you don't need to keep these on Instagram. You can literally take them away after. So it's not by force that they have to stay there. So don't ever feel like, oh gosh, I have to keep all these followers now and, you know, they're not even my niche. These are the different strategies that people do in order to gain followers as well. So this will be very beneficial for you. But I will really say that the ones that have been very effective for me was the one where I turn on the bell notification. And with that bell notification, I'm really active on my phone. I get alerts as soon as my competitor posts. I literally click on that post and I comment, oh my gosh, I love this. Oh my gosh, I agree. And then voila. So guys, from saying this today, this is how to gain 1,000 followers on Instagram in 1 week. In order to have a great following on Instagram, it's not always about the followers. And don't get it twisted. You don't need to have over 1,000 followers to even make money. Some people can honestly have 200 followers and make money. Don't get all caught up in this world of followers. And please do not buy bots. There's so many people that buy bots, and you know what, you can really see through it as well. Because when I say that, they say you need an influencer, for example, to promote your service-based business or your products that you sell. You actually go on their page and you see that there's random things, they're all zeros. So you can see that there's zero followers on that person, whoever they are, if you know what I mean. But you know what I'm saying. You click on the actual picture of that person. You click into the followers page. And from clicking into the followers page, what you see is zero. There's no followers and there's no following. It just doesn't even make sense. And that is bots. So don't ever waste your money on bots. Don't get fooled that bots are good. Bots are not good. Not good at all. You're just fooling yourself, honestly, and it's not really going to benefit you, because at the end of the day, in order to have a great following, even in order to monetize your Instagram, you have to have real followers. You can't have fake followers at the end of the day. So don't be that person, honestly. But guys, I hope you found this awesome. I hope it was very beneficial for you. Make sure you comment down below your comments, and make sure you subscribe to my channel, and make sure you comment down I subscribe, and I'll respond to everybody who has said that. And also, one more thing, if you want to know more about what you can actually do in order to post on your Instagram, make sure you click this link here, and I'm going to show you what you need to post on your Instagram to get your Instagram monetized and just to get a good following. Thank you for watching and have a great day.